Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds a and a. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the a sound in the word hate, hate, hate. Now the a sound in the word hat, hat, hat. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I hate this hat. I hate this hat. I hate this hat. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!